Today we got a video from Body Cam Stories, and the title of the video is Florida Woman Accused of Stealing Over $3,000 from Target.
For months, one Naples woman repeatedly visited the Target on Tarpon Bay Boulevard. Investigators say she made 18 trips between November 30th, 2024 and February 2nd, 2025, stealing 151 items worth more than $3,400, a pattern of thefts carried out quietly at the self-checkout. Now let's see what happened when law enforcement confronted her, all captured on police body-worn cameras.
Howdy, how you doing today?
Good, how are you guys?
Good, good.
Here, McDonald.
Yeah, she is upstairs.
Is she by herself?
She's not.
Okay.
She's with someone right now?
Can,
Yeah, of course.
Thank you.
Damn, come arrest me, baby. Oh, hold up. What county is this? Oh, hold up. Okay, Miss Officer, she look a little Russian or Spanish or something. She look okay.
Cameras.
Howdy, how you doing today?
Good, how are you guys?
Good, good.
Here, McDonald.
Yeah, she is upstairs.
Is she by herself?
She's not.
Okay.
She's with someone right now?
Can,
Yeah, of course.
Thank you. Want to go somewhere a little private?
We just go this hallway? Sure. Sorry, it's all open everywhere, so. And our AC's broken, so we have to think. It's gonna be hot in here too, sorry.
I'm trying to spare whatever here. So,
Okay.
you're placed under arrest.
Me?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh my goodness.
For grand theft from Target. So there's 10 to 18 different times that you've gone to Target and paid for items and then did not pay for items, and they all have you all on video and photos and all of that. So right now we are here because you have a PC for your arrest.
Okay.
So
what do I, like, can you just kind of tell me what to do? So
now-
while we do this?
yeah, so I'm
Okay,
telling you
so-
that right now.
Yeah.
I don't want to embarrass you in front of
Of
your
course.
work company, so I'm trying to be nice here about it.
Of course.
But I would have to place you in handcuffs, put you in the back of my car.
To walk out? Can I walk to your car and then you put me in?
Yeah, we can do that.
Is that okay?
Just as long as you don't run away or anything like that. We have to. I have to say it because we've had runners before.
Oh, I'm sure.
So,
Of course, yeah.
You go down to the jail to get fingerprinted, booked, all that stuff, and then you can call and get a bond, and then you could be released as early as tonight or tomorrow. You have to see a judge within 24 hours. So that's what I know. Yeah.
So I can't call anybody now? I'm not trying to do anything beyond this. Because my kids,
Yeah, so
I do have kids.
yeah, I did go to your house. I didn't know if you were.
But he's
home or not.
older.
Yeah, you're fine.
I was like,
He's middle school, right?
Yes.
Okay. So you
Yeah.
look middle school. That's why I asked.
Yes, he is the
How old's your youngest?
7, and he's probably just getting to the clubhouse.
Does he walk from the clubhouse?
Yeah, but like this meeting that I was just in that I got pulled out of, as soon as it was over, I normally go home.
Do you have anybody else that can go there for at least the evening?
Do you have a husband, boyfriend?
Yeah, I mean, I can call if I'm allowed. I'm
Yeah,
just
we're giving you.
We're giving you the opportunity
Yeah.
to call somebody to go to the house for the kids.
Yeah.
right. So I know he's not home now, but he's like, at work. So I can just let him
Yes,
know.
no.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's a whole different situation where other people are
Yeah.
looking to call somebody and hurt us. So, so people are like, no.
If he doesn't answer, can I call my mom?
The last call was at the PTM.
Okay, he didn't answer, so.
Call your mom.
Okay.
Just as long as you get a hold of somebody that can make everybody aware, make sure the kids are good.
Right.
We don't want to.
These cops are chill. I ain't gonna lie.
So, yeah.
No.
That's
Yeah,
why
that's why we're
we're.
asking.
Oh, yeah, I'm like, no. We just both work, so.
I understand. As long as they know and,
Sometimes,
you know,
The only reason why we call these staff is because no one would be home with them.
like you can't get a hold of anybody to take
Right
care of the
now.
kids.
Yeah. So it's not DCF that you did something wrong to them. It's just you couldn't get a hold of anybody. But make your calls.
Yeah. Hey, I need you to leave work and go home like right now because I'm not able to go home. Yeah, the sheriff's office is here and they're
You can tell them.
arresting me. I mean, I just need you to go home.
And you'll be able to call them when you get to the jail.
What, they said I can call you again when I get
Yeah,
to the jail?
they'll allow you calls at the jail.
Can I tell him one?
You can tell him
Yeah.
if you want.
Yes.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
They said for theft at Target for self-checkout. So,
Able to take 11375.
no, I'm not pranking you.
Realistic. Yeah.
Sorry.
No, you're
This is Corporal Robert Kirkland with the Kelly County Sheriff's Office. This
It's
is not a
probably
joke.
not the norm, so he probably would
Norm?
hear.
I've never
Here
even...
she's back.
You want to apply for it?
I just
Okay.
letting them know it's not a joke.
But because they had gone to the house and Gabe was there, so I told them like Scarlett and Jameson are probably getting home from school right now, so they don't call DCF because the kids are home alone, not because we did anything wrong.
Right.
Okay. Okay. He said he'll leave now and go
Okay.
home.
That's fine.
All right.
Yeah,
Do you have anything here that you need to take out?
like a purse.
Just like my car keys. Should I leave them?
I would leave them.
I just don't know what
So
the right
I would
thing
have
to
to go
do
up
is.
with you, and I
I
would
don't-
try and just not.
No, I can leave my car here like overnight or till later
As long as you're
today,
fine with
or-
that,
I'm
yeah.
fine with that.
Yeah, I mean, this is
Okay.
pretty
Yep.
secure.
I just have to get a picture of you real quick. Right, so 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I've got a lot. But yeah, leave your stuff here. So
Like
that
my
way-
phone and stuff.
Your phone can go with you.
I can.
Yeah, it'll go with you, so that way you can get phone numbers out.
Listen, these are the nicest officers that I've done seen. I can't even lie to you. These officers are nice. It's probably because it's, typically, the lady cops are harsh on women. You know what I'm saying? But this woman, it seems like she's very nice, very understanding. This lady looks like she works in a professional setting or whatever the case may be. So they're giving her some leniency, but still, you stole. You know what I mean? Stealing is stealing. So, they showing you a little courtesy, but by the time you get out of jail, the whole work is gonna know what's going on. You feel me? That's how word spread. It's gonna be, oh, did you see whatever her name is? Oh, you see Ashley? You saw Jesse? Oh, she got. Oh, the cops came and got her. Oh, it's over with. You cooked. Whether you go out there and get handcuffed or not, you still cooked. It's over with at the job. This ad is presented by yours truly. I just want to let you know that I love you and I appreciate you for supporting this YouTube channel. I also want to let you know that for exclusive drops and early releases, go to patreon.com/ShyGotEm. That's patreon.com/ShyGotEm. The link is also in the description section. Let's get back to the video.
When you get to the jail, so everything you have right now should be fine. You don't have a purse and
I
a
go to
wallet.
jail.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, you're good. So,
Like in these clothes.
yeah, and then you get different clothes.
All right, you ready?
Look at this. Everybody outside and everything. Look at this.
Obviously, my car is right there. I'm doing it as discretional as possible.
Maybe this is on the front side. I know all my coworkers are going to
Yeah. If you want to walk with her to that red car, you can go behind the red car. By the way.
Oh, they're super nice.
I know.
Just walk with me.
Victoria.
Oh, yeah, no, I appreciate it. That's what I'm saying.
As soon as I get to the house, I'll let you know.
Just not sure what the right thing to do or not do is.
With what?
Like with this, like how to do this and stuff. But like,
I
I don't want to do
mean,
anything like this.
Try not stealing. Let's start with that.
asking questions isn't going to get you in trouble. So, the only way you can get in more trouble now is if you took off running. So, I don't think you're going to do that. So,
I would not. I wouldn't do that. So how long does somebody have to stay?
well, you can bond out as soon as the booking's done. You can, which will just take a few hours once they get you booked and all the paperwork's done. It usually takes a few hours.
Okay.
So as long as you have the funds to bond, you can bond out this
You
afternoon.
go home the same day?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Like I could.
You don't have any priors, right?
No.
Okay.
Yeah, so,
So-
when you make
Like, I could go, like, to work tomorrow, or people don't do
You
things
should
like
be
that?
able to,
Okay.
as long as
Again,
you.
I don't do
You have to have the money to be able to bond.
Right, and then people can, like, kind of live in
You can do
normal
normal.
until things, okay.
Yeah, you can do all normal things. It's just right now is
This is the moment.
this is the moment where we unfortunately
And
go
then
in.
through
and
this moment,
you've
you
been
can-
really cooperative. I'm not gonna handcuff you in the back. I'll handcuff you in the front. It's policy. I have to handcuff you. So
Whatever, I don't want to.
yeah. So you sit down and handcuff you in the front, and then I'll take you to jail, and you literally
Oh,
just get
come
processed,
on.
And you're gonna get the opportunity.
Come on now, this is where I draw the line. Now this is some bullshit. If that was me, I'm getting handcuffed in the back and all of that. Like, come on now. Come on, I'm fucking with Miss Officer, man. I like her, man, but this is bullshit. This is bullshit. That's a fact. That's a fact. If that was me, that's not happening. Okay, I'm like, okay, a little lenient. They not cuffing you out, outside, make you walk or whatever, but the one thing I think walking all the way to the other side of the parking lot, that's excessive. Like, that's crazy. You know what I'm saying? That wouldn't happen if it was me. And now you're not even gonna cuff her in the back. No, you're blocking everything. Nobody can see nothing. You what the hell? What kind of shit is that? Nah, man. We gotta draw the line at some part, man, because that's crazy.
Bondsman, or have your husband or
I can
somebody
call him and
yeah,
he-
yep, and then he can work on that. And then
How do you know how much it is?
it'll populate in mine, but they should tell you.
Oh,
too
they'll
there.
tell me.
Yeah.
Okay, so like, how do you know?
Yeah. All right, go ahead. No weapons inside you. Sorry, my bag is right there. Let's move it. My windows are pretty tinted, so I'm sure you'll see anything. So, all right, we'll get you out of here.
In total, she was accused of stealing $3,472.02 in merchandise from the Naples Target store. According to the Collier County Sheriff's Office, she stole items ranging from a $2.19 bottle of Dr. Pepper to a $5.60 box of mechanical pencils, and even a $795 mattress. She now faces a charge of grand theft, $750 to $5,000. If you want to see more real body cam encounters, hit that.
Now that's crazy. $2 soda. You crashing out over a $2 soda? Man, what goes on in these people's mind, man? There's people going through real shit that's really ready to crash out, man. You got what seems like decent life, man. You got a significant other, so it's two incomes. You know what I'm saying? Look like you got a decent job. You got yourself put together nice. There's people that really ain't got nothing and is about ready to crash out. You know what I'm saying? And you got everything and you taking life for granted like that. Yeah, man, you can't make this shit up, man. But that was definitely favoritism. I don't know what the fuck that was. That was insane. That was insane what they had going on over there. But anyways, man, I'm gonna get the officers. They were decent, but they were overly nice. Like, you overdoing it. Like that was. So I'm giving that, you got to get a grade down from that. I'm like, oh, maybe they'll get a 4. You know what I'm saying? But no, you get a 3. Regular, you get a 3, man. Because that whole y'all driving on the other side of the parking lot and cuffing her in the front and not in the back and what? Oh, nah. Oh, no.